Did you know Batman once planned to perform brain surgery on his own son? This dark story starts when Damian Wayne heard strange sounds coming from the deep parts of the Batcave. He went down to check and found something that would change everything. Hidden behind secret doors was a full medical room with brain surgery tools and computers everywhere. But the worst part was what he found on those computers. Batman had brain scans of all his sons: Dick, Jason, Tim, and Damian himself. Next to each scan were detailed plans for surgery. Batman wanted to cut into their brains to make them more obedient and less aggressive. He had already done this to several criminals, removing their ability to be violent. When Damian confronted his father, Batman explained his twisted plan. He wanted to create the perfect crime-fighting family by making sure none of his sons could ever disobey him or leave him. The surgical table was already prepared, and Damian was scheduled to be next.